So hi guys, today we're gonna re-unbox. Yes, what you heard was right. We're gonna re-unbox this Mad60he. Actually, this keyboard has been used by me over for the past few months. So yeah, let's re-unbox it. Let's go. So let's look what's inside the box. Here we have the keyboard. As usual, there will be always a keyboard because we ordered the keyboard. Here we have the braided cable, Type C, and a keycap puller, and the strap, size strap. And here is for the screw. Here it is, the screw for it. By the way, this keyboard is just like the Mad60he. If you have a budget to buy for Mad60he, then I would recommend Woting because this one is not really reliable. Reliable. So here we can see the magnetic switches, which is color white. Here is the wiggle test. Kinda have some little wiggle. So here, as you can see, it has a great, yeah, great IQ. Just it's not that bad, but again, if I had a budget to buy the booting one, I would prefer that one because this one is not really reliable because we don't know, we really don't know when Mad Lion will still support their website because maybe one day they will close it and then boom, we cannot. So here's the website. As you can see, you can change the lightning effect. There are many different lightning effects. You can even adjust the brightness and the speed of it. So here where you can adjust the trigger travel and the rapid trigger. It can only go to 0.1 millimeter. I already have a preset for it. And we have the advanced key. And I have SOCD. I put it on WS and A and D. So yeah, here's what I mean. SOCD. When you press A and D, the last you press will automatically the one that will be the input one. So here we have changed the sensitiveness of the keyboard or each keycaps of it. As you can see, I'm not really putting pressure on the keycaps, just a little. See, it's moving. That's how magnetic keyboards work. So sensitive. So if you are a competitive, into competitive games, you will likely buy these keyboards or other HE keyboards. So yeah, that's all what I can say about this keyboard. It's a good, decent in its price. So yeah, if you have the budget for the voting one, I would prefer that one. So if you, by the way, if you do like video contents like this, hopefully you don't hesitate to like and subscribe. That's all. Thank you.